In this video, we're going to go over AWeber pricing, and I'm going to help you select the plan that you need to take your marketing to the next level, so stay tuned. All right, so I'm on AWeber's website, and I'm under the pricing section, and as you can see here, they have two plans right now. They just came out with this free plan, and then they have the Pro plan. Pro is for people who are ready to commit, and they want all the features included. And then free is for when you're just getting started. So the price for Pro is going to be $16.15 every month, and it's billed annually. So you're going to pay that up front. If you do it monthly, it's going to cost you $19 a month, which is a little bit more. You can also do a quarterly plan. Typically, I do monthly, or in this case, I would probably do the free plan just to get a gist of it. I've already used AWeber before, and I love it. It's got a lot of great features, and we're going to go through some of those features below and give you the reasons why you need it to take your email marketing and your marketing in general to the next level. So if we scroll down here, we can look at all the features. So you can look at all the features and you can look at the differing features. Let's just look at all the features so you can see it side by side. So you have the Pro on the left and the free on the right. And as you can see, in Pro, you get unlimited subscribers, email sends, and list profiles, which is like the amount of lists you can have. And a list is just going to hold a certain amount of email subscribers and email sequences for a particular group. So you might have one list for your small businesses, another one for, your customers that are just regular users of your application. And you can have different lists for different niches as well. There's a lot of options, and it's very versatile and easy to use. With the free version, you're limited to 500 subscribers, which is a pretty decent amount when you're getting started, for free especially. It takes a long time to build up even to 100 subscribers. So having the ability to build up to 500 subscribers for free and send 3,000 emails a month, that's pretty good. Now, an email send is when you send an email to one person. It's not like when you send a broadcast and you send it to everybody. So let's say you had 500 people on your list and you send an email to all 500. Each one of those is going to count. So it's going to be 500 emails that were just sent. So you could do that 6 times. So as your list grows, you can send less and less emails. And if you want to send them on a daily basis, or 2 times daily, 3 times daily, even more than that, you're going to need more support there. So under email, there's a ton of features that are really useful. So you can create and send newsletters, do automations, have RSS to email, drag and drop builder, HTML emails, dynamic content, a bunch of different email templates, tons of different professional images, split testing, which is super important. Note that right here at split testing, that's something that's not covered in free. So you're not going to be able to split test and figure out which subject lines and which pre-headers and email body content as well as templates are performing better. So if that's a deal breaker, you might want to try it out for free and then jump into Pro when you're ready so you can split test appropriately and you can convert at a higher rate faster. Behavioral automation, which is super important to see like if people are clicking on certain links or opening things, then you should tag people appropriately and group them. You can have branded click tracking links, and you can remove the AWeber branding so it doesn't distract people. By removing that branding, your customers or your leads are going to think, oh wow, this person's official, they're not just tied to AWeber, so that's an extra bonus. AWeber also has a really cool landing pages feature where you can create landing pages to drive traffic to and convert sales and new leads. I've used it. It's really cool. It's new and it's minimal, but it's really good and it's built in for free. So I would suggest you want to try it out. And I do have a video on that. If you want to watch that, I'm going to put it in the card above and below in the description and the comments. For the landing pages, you get unlimited landing pages, and you can have a ton of different templates, a bunch of different professional images. You can have video landing pages, Google Analytics, and Facebook pixel tracking, which is limited if you want to use things like Snapchat or TikTok ads or other traffic sources, so keep that in mind. You're not going to be able to do retargeting as well or track your analytics as well yet with AWeber landing pages. Custom URLs aren't here yet, so that's another thing that's a little wonky, but it does work. It's just a little bit more work to redirect things. And then you can only remove the AWeber branding with the Pro version. For list building, they both have the sign-up forms and the WordPress plugin, but again, you can't do the split testing unless you have Pro, which is a really big asset when you're trying to cut your costs and increase your conversions. Segmenting is a way to group different users, so you can tag people. You can create segments, which is like people who opened certain emails. Tagging and segmenting is similar, but there's little tiny difference there. And if you want me to create a video just about tagging versus segmenting, then say yes in the comments below. I'd love to do that for you. So you can do the tagging and you can send to the basic segments of people who have opened emails in the last 30 days or months or something like that. But if you want to create your own custom segments, you're going to need the pro version for that, which is a really useful feature for retargeting as well within your autoresponder. Reporting is super limited with the free version, so you're only going to get the simple analytics with the free version. But with pro, you can track web pages, you can track your audience account analytics, advanced message analytics, who's reading, who's clicking on what. E-commerce is more extensive with pro, so you can track your sales and cart abandonment, which is really important. They both have an e-commerce solution integration though, which is cool. You can get unlimited users, and the support's the same, as well as migrations and integrations. If you want to clear things up, you can click differing features, and you can go through that again and see the different features. If I were you, you have nothing to lose with the free version of AWeber. And if you want the free version of AWeber, then click the link in my description below. You can start your free trial right away. You don't have to remember what the URL is or type it in or Google it. Just click that link. You can also check the comment below and you can click on that and get started. It's a great service. I've used it a ton. It's probably the easiest autoresponder I've ever used. You just pop in there, you create some stuff quickly, you get it working. The interface is super fast, it's super intuitive. Things like tagging and automations, all that stuff is really, really easy, and the UI is really easy to use. So I think it is something that you want to try out for free for sure, and then when you're ready, you can decide if pro is right for you. So I hope this video was helpful in figuring out what the price of AWeber is. If you like this video, hit that like button so more people can see it and learn more about the AWeber pricing. Jump on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to make more money online and live a happier life. There's a video right after this one, so stay tuned for that. Peace out for now.